Hi, my name is Fianshu. Actually, I wanted to do this 4 5 years back, but because of monetary issues and time constraint, we were not able to do that. But today, I'm very happy to tell you that Marketing Hook is going to fund a non-profit organization by the name of Buddy. Um, Buddy is basically uh, a friend, a pal, a buddy who is going to be there for everybody. Buddy is going to service to people who are suffering from sadness, depression, and from mental health issues. Um, why I have even said sadness in this entire thing is because if a person is being in a constant stage of being sad, I don't know that when the time will come that that thing can actually turn into depression, and then it can get even worse. So we would like to actually cater the problem at the very first stage. So that is why I'm using sadness. um, I am going to explain you how this entire thing is going to work. So and why I feel that there is a need of a organization like Buddy. Supposedly, if I have a problem, if I am, if I need to, if I feel that the need to share it with people, I am not actually going to share it with any XYZ person, and especially with people who are on my Instagram or Facebook friend list. People who are posting stories like, you can talk to us, you can, we are there for you, just give us a call. Because we need to actually understand that because of this recent incident what is happening around the globe, we are putting one story just for today, and that after 24 hours that story is going to wipe off, and then that person is again alone. And actually you also need to understand that the person is not that comfortable with you, that after watching your one story, that person is going to actually contact you and tell you every of his life problems and share everything what is going wrong with their lives. So I don't see that honestly happening. I'm really sorry, but I would like to thank you for your efforts, but that is not actually practically going to help anybody. So for that, how Buddy comes in the picture is, it's a very discreet way. Anybody who needs a buddy, that person can give us a call without even telling their real names. If they do not want to, just share their problems, uh, without the without having the fear of any judgments, without having any fear of feeling that इसको तो मेरे पेरेंट्स के बारे में पता लग जाएगा, ये मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा, माई इमेज खराब हो सकती है. So Buddy is somebody who is not going to judge you. Buddy is not somebody who is not going to know you. In fact, you will also not know कि आप किससे बात कर रहे हो. So it's going to be very discreet. Where we just want to help people who want to tell their problems, who want to share, who want to share their burden. And what I've always felt in life is that half of your problems are sorted when you just share your things, when you just speak out. And sometimes what happens is when you even try to share your problems with your friends, family and relatives, they give you multiple advice, and where sometimes you also feel that Buddy, I don't need the advice, I just felt of sharing this thing. And for that main reason, I think Buddy is the best possible way to help everybody here. um, it's a complete non-profit organization. It's just to help people out there. Case 2, where I have a problem again, and I have amazing friends, I have amazing relatives, and my parents are super amazing, and I can share those problems with them. So in that case, you will not need Buddy, and that's the perfect scenario. But all of us, we know that the world isn't perfect. Um, I will always put my fingers crossed that you guys do not need Buddy, but even if you do, so you should know that we are there. So my request to all of you out there is that connect with Buddy, because if we are not able to spread this message across a lot of people, then I don't think we'll ever be able to reach to the right people. And that's one support that I need from you guys. The last part is that I am also looking for buddies who want to join Buddy, who want to become Buddy, who think that they actually care about people, they want to help people, they can be empathetic about things. I'm not looking for a pool of psychiatrists, I'm not looking for a pool of people who have done psychology. I'm looking for people who can just be a friend, who can be a good listener. And those people who are interested to become a buddy, they can just go to the buddy Instagram page, and there is a link. You can fill up the entire form. You can tell us the reasons that why do you want to become a buddy, and if we feel that you are the right fit for our organization, we would be very happy to bring you on board, because that's very important to actually understand that who can become a buddy and who cannot. And we just need support from you. And till then, I would advise all of you to be a good listener and to understand that who needs your help. And thank you so much.